Hi there, this video will help you know how to log on to Filezilla and to create a directory. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Filezilla, which you've downloaded from the web. I turn Filezilla on. I'm not going to install a new version now, so I'm going to close it. And the first thing you see on your left-hand side are My Files, local site saying these are my files. I'm going to go to a file on my desktop called IT125, and I'm going to move over this index file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my host. My host is called mutechchallenge.com. My username is 1, and it's the @ mutechchallenge.com. My password is whatever I gave you, and the port is 21. Okay, it's going to come up with this. Even though it says host name does not match certificate, you don't care about this. Click OK, and you come and it says retrieving directory successful. Okay, so I already have a week 1, so I'm going to make a new week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, I'm going to create directory, and I'm going to call this directory video. Okay, so I call this one video. I say okay. Now I want to move my file index1 into video. I just slide it over. Okay. There. Now, if I want to test it, all I have to do is I have to go to my browser. I'm going to go to my browser here. I'm going to type 1.mutechchallenge.com directory video, and here is what I just loaded. So that should help you in performing all of the requirements for this particular assignment and for all the rest of your assignments. Thanks, and have a great day.